Are you thinking about studying abroad? Maybe your mind wanders to the historic halls of British universities or, the sprawling campuses of the United States. But what if I told you there's a place that offers something equally brilliant, yet uniquely its own? A Nordic nation where happiness is a way of life, innovation is in the air, and education is designed to empower you. This country is Denmark, one of Europe's best-kept secrets for ambitious international students. It's a land where fairy tales meet cutting-edge design, and where a world-class education is just the beginning of an extraordinary adventure. It's really time to look beyond the obvious choices and discover a destination that truly invests in its students. Just imagine a place where your academic journey is woven into the fabric of a society that values balance, critical thinking, and global collaboration. Denmark isn't just a country, it's an experience. It offers a unique blend of rich history and forward-thinking modernity, creating a dynamic environment for learning and personal growth. Here, education isn't about rote memorization. It's about challenging conventions, asking difficult questions, and working together to find solutions for a better world. This approach is what makes Danish higher education so respected globally, attracting bright minds from every corner of the planet who seek more than just a degree. But with so many excellent institutions across the country, where do you begin your search? The process of choosing a university can feel overwhelming, honestly, a maze of rankings, program descriptions, and application deadlines. You are not just choosing a place to study, you are choosing a community, a city, and a launchpad for your future career. Making the right decision is crucial, and it requires looking beyond the surface. It demands a deeper understanding of what each university truly offers, not just in terms of lectures and libraries, but in the opportunities it creates for you to thrive both academically and personally. That is precisely why we are here today. I want to guide you through this important decision. I am going to reveal the one university in Denmark that consistently stands out from the rest. It is an institution that not only tops the charts, but also provides an unparalleled experience that could be the key to unlocking your full potential. This isn't just about finding a good university, it's about finding the best fit for your aspirations. So stay with me, because making this one choice could set the entire course for an incredible and successful future, opening doors you never even knew existed. Why Denmark? This small Nordic country is a global heavyweight in higher education, with a legacy of excellence and innovation. Danish universities foster critical thought, interactive learning, and hands-on research. Here, you'll collaborate with leading researchers and gain real-world experience. A Danish degree is respected worldwide, preparing you for success anywhere. While academic prestige is crucial, your study abroad experience is about so much more than what happens inside a lecture hall. This is where Denmark truly shines. The country is consistently ranked as one of the happiest places on earth, and this culture of well-being permeates every aspect of daily life, including student life. The Danish concept of Hygge, a feeling of coziness, contentment, and connection, is not just a buzzword, it is a way of life. It's about finding joy in simple moments, building strong social bonds, and creating a warm, supportive environment. As a student, you will find this translates into a welcoming and relaxed atmosphere where your mental health and happiness are considered just as important as your academic performance. This focus on well-being is underpinned by Denmark's famous work-life balance. The Danes have mastered the art of being productive and ambitious without sacrificing their personal lives, and this mindset extends to university students. You are encouraged to pursue hobbies, join clubs, and have a rich social life outside of your studies. The cities are designed to be incredibly student-friendly, with excellent public transport, abundant green spaces for relaxation, and a vibrant cultural scene. Whether you are exploring museums, attending music festivals, or simply enjoying a coffee with friends, you will find that life in Denmark is structured to help you thrive, not just survive. Safety and social trust are also cornerstones of Danish society. You will quickly notice a sense of security and mutual respect that is rare in many parts of the world. People leave their bikes unlocked and parents leave their babies in strollers outside cafes. This high-trust environment creates a feeling of calm and community, allowing you to focus on your studies and personal growth without unnecessary stress or worry. For international students leaving home for the first time, This safe and welcoming atmosphere can make the transition to a new country feel much smoother and more comfortable, providing a solid foundation for a positive experience. Ultimately, studying in Denmark is an invitation to embrace a healthier, more balanced way of living. It is a chance to learn in a society that prioritizes collaboration over competition, community over individualism, and happiness over hustle. This cultural immersion is an education in itself, teaching you valuable life lessons that will stay with you long after you have graduated. Denmark is a global hub where English is king. Most Danes, especially the young, speak English fluently, making daily life and studies easy for international students. Danish universities offer hundreds of full-degree programs in English, attracting students from all over the world. You'll join a truly international campus with classmates from many cultures and backgrounds, and if you want, you can learn Danish too, but the choice is yours. What makes a university the best? Many look to global rankings like QS or Times Higher Education, which measure things like academic reputation and research output. But a ranking is just one number. It can't capture the full essence of a university or tell you if it's right for you. The best university is personal. Use rankings as a tool, but look beyond the numbers to find where you'll truly thrive. A great university puts students first, ensuring engaging professors, modern facilities, and strong support. But it's also about diversity. Studying with peers from around the world expands your perspective, builds empathy, and prepares you for global careers. A truly top university creates a welcoming, inclusive environment where every student can thrive. The true test of a university is what happens after graduation. Top universities connect students to real-world opportunities, internships, co-ops, and industry partnerships that lead to high employment rates and leadership roles. A strong alumni network offers mentorship and opens doors throughout your career. The value of your education extends far beyond campus, providing lifelong support and opportunity. Choose a university whose name, network, and practical training give you a real edge. Graduate success, industry links, and alumni power reveal a university's true impact. The University of Copenhagen stands as Denmark's most prestigious university. Founded in 1479, it's a symbol of academic excellence and a magnet for ambitious scholars worldwide. Its legacy is built on centuries of inquiry, Nobel laureates, and a culture that blends tradition with innovation. Consistently ranked among the world's top universities, its degree commands global respect. Graduates join a tradition of achievement and a network that opens elite opportunities. Here, you're not just earning a degree, you're joining a legacy. The University of Copenhagen is where history, reputation, and ambition meet. The University of Copenhagen is a leader in global research and innovation. Its research tackles climate change, health, and social challenges, making a real-world impact. Students learn from top researchers and join cutting-edge projects, gaining hands-on experience. The university's strengths span health sciences, sustainability, humanities, and more. This dynamic environment fuels curiosity, critical thinking, and discovery. You're not just learning facts, you're shaping the future. At Copenhagen, research and education are inseparable. The University of Copenhagen is woven into the city itself, with 4 unique campuses across Copenhagen. Each campus offers specialized facilities and a vibrant community, from historic buildings to modern labs. Students experience the city as their classroom, cycling between lectures, parks, and cultural hotspots. Campus life blends seamlessly with urban living, fostering independence and exploration. Social clubs and Friday bars build community and tradition. You're not just a student, you're a true resident of Copenhagen. This urban model makes your university experience unforgettable. The heart of the University of Copenhagen is its diverse international community. Over 40,000 students and 9,000 staff create a melting pot of ideas and cultures. Professors are leading experts, approachable, and invested in your growth. Students are ambitious, collaborative, and form lifelong networks. Group work and open dialogue are central, building real-world skills. The university's prestige comes from its people, thinkers, dreamers, and doers. Here you join a legacy of excellence and inspiration. Wondering if you'll find your dream program? The University of Copenhagen offers over 150 master's programs in English. These span sciences, social sciences, humanities, and more, each designed for global relevance. Courses are research-driven, current, and prepare you for an international career. The diverse student body creates a stimulating cross-cultural classroom. Copenhagen welcomes top talent from around the world, making world-class education accessible. You can pursue your ambitions in the global language of science and business. The University of Copenhagen is a global leader in health and medical sciences, where groundbreaking research becomes life-saving treatments. Here, students and scientists work side by side, tackling major diseases and unraveling the mysteries of the brain. As a student, you're immersed in cutting-edge discoveries, gaining hands-on experience and preparing to solve global health challenges. At Copenhagen, you're not just learning, you're shaping the future of medicine. The University of Copenhagen is a global leader in climate and sustainability research, driving Denmark's green ambitions. Here, researchers tackle climate change from every angle, working across disciplines to find innovative solutions. From modeling climate systems to studying Greenland's melting ice, their work is diverse and impactful. Students engage deeply, learning from experts and joining a community committed to building a sustainable future. The University of Copenhagen excels in both science and humanities, fostering innovation and critical inquiry across disciplines. From groundbreaking physics at the Niels Bohr Institute to deep explorations in art and philosophy, students are inspired to think big. Interdisciplinary collaboration is key, preparing students to tackle complex challenges and become well-rounded thinkers. At the University of Copenhagen, student life thrives beyond the classroom. With hundreds of clubs, lively Friday bars, and a packed calendar of events, there's always something happening. Sports, wellness, and social activities create a welcoming, vibrant community. Here you'll make friends, try new things, and build memories that last a lifetime. Finding housing in Copenhagen can be tough, especially for new international students. The University of Copenhagen's Housing Foundation is a great starting point, offering dorms and shared apartments for students. Apply early, as rooms go fast. If you look privately, use trusted sites and beware of scams. With preparation and an open mind, you'll soon find a place to call home in this amazing city. Living in Copenhagen as a student means more than just university life. It's about embracing a unique city culture. The city runs on two wheels, with cycling being the easiest and most enjoyable way to get around. You'll also discover Hygge, a cozy sense of well-being, whether sharing coffee or relaxing with friends. Copenhagen is exciting yet safe, filled with parks, culture, and a strong sense of community. Here, student life is truly enriching, blending learning, connection, and high quality of life. Moving to a new country to study is a huge and exciting step, but it can also come with its own set of challenges. The University of Copenhagen understands this deeply and has established a comprehensive network of support services designed specifically to help international students navigate their transition and thrive throughout their time in Denmark. From the moment you are accepted, you are not alone. The university's International Education and Grants Office provides a wealth of information on everything from visa applications and residence permits to registering with the Danish authorities, ensuring you have a smooth and organized arrival. Upon arrival, the university hosts a comprehensive orientation week, which is an invaluable resource for all new international students. This series of events is designed to help you get your bearings both academically and socially. You will learn about the Danish academic system, how to register for courses, and where to find key resources on campus. More importantly, it is a fantastic opportunity to meet hundreds of other students who are in the same boat as you, providing the perfect platform to start building your social circle before classes even begin. Attending the orientation week is one of the best investments you can make in having a successful start to your studies. Academic and personal support continues long after orientation week is over. Each faculty has its own student guidance counselors who can help you with academic planning, course selection, and any challenges you might face with your studies. Furthermore, the university offers confidential counseling services to help students cope with issues like stress, homesickness, or anxiety. These services are a clear sign that the university prioritizes student well-being, recognizing that your mental health is just as important as your academic performance. Knowing this robust support system is in place provides great peace of mind as you adjust to your new life. The university also provides practical support to help you integrate into Danish life. This includes offering Danish language courses which can greatly enrich your experience and open up more part-time work opportunities. They also run career services workshops that are tailored to international students, providing advice on writing a Danish-style CV, understanding the local job market, and finding student jobs or internships. This holistic network of support, covering administrative, social, academic, and personal needs, demonstrates the University of Copenhagen's profound commitment to its international community, ensuring you have all the tools and resources you need to succeed and flourish. Let's talk about costs. If you're from the EU, EEA, or Switzerland, tuition at the University of Copenhagen is free. Non-EU students pay around 10,000 to 17,000 euros per year, depending on the program. Living in Copenhagen costs about 1,200 to 1,500 euros monthly, with accommodation as the biggest expense. Careful budgeting, cooking at home, and using student discounts can help you manage your expenses. Tuition fees and living costs can seem daunting, but scholarships and grants can ease the burden, especially for talented non-EU students. The University of Copenhagen offers competitive Danish government scholarships, often with no separate application needed. These awards are based on academic excellence and can cover tuition and sometimes living costs. Explore external scholarships and start your search early. Every bit of funding helps you make the most of your Copenhagen experience. Part-time jobs in Copenhagen are a great way to earn money and gain experience while studying. EU students can work unlimited hours, while non-EU students can work up to 20 hours per week during the semester. Many students find flexible work in cafes, restaurants, or retail, and English is often enough for these roles. There are also student jobs related to your studies, helping you build your CV and network before graduation. Ready to apply to the University of Copenhagen? Let's break it down. Start by researching your program's requirements and deadlines. These can vary, so check carefully. Gather your documents, including transcripts and proof of English proficiency, and apply online through the university portal. Double-check everything before submitting. With preparation, you'll navigate the process smoothly and confidently. Meeting the formal requirements is just the first hurdle. To stand out, go beyond grades, show who you are and why you fit. Your motivation letter is your chance to tell your story. Be specific about why this program excites you. Share real experiences and skills you'll bring. Connect your past, your goals, and the university. Show them you're a worthy investment. The University of Copenhagen stands out for its world-class reputation and global ranking, giving your CV a powerful boost. With over 150 English-taught master's programs, you can pursue your passion without language barriers. The vibrant student life and the city's unique culture make studying here an adventure. Plus, you'll learn from leading experts and gain hands-on research experience, preparing you for a global future. Every opportunity comes with challenges. For international students, tuition and Copenhagen's high living costs can be steep. The housing market is competitive, so start your search early. Academics are demanding, requiring independence and self-discipline. Integrating into Danish society takes effort, and the long winters can be tough. But with patience and an open mind, you can thrive and embrace the cozy art of Hygge. We've explored the University of Copenhagen's historic halls, modern labs, and vibrant student life. If you seek world-class education in a progressive, livable city, this could be your perfect fit. Here, you'll find adventure, challenge, and a launchpad for your future. Ready to take the leap? The University of Copenhagen might just be your next chapter.